Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Question 21 is about cardiac cycle. Okay, it's about the left side. So look at the question. Okay, how long does the valve open? Okay, so you just remember the heart. Okay, the heart is like this. Okay, the heart is like this. Okay, left and right. Okay, so the most important thing is remember the valve. The shape of the valve is like this. Okay, and the other is remember which part is which part. Atrium and ventricle. Okay, remember atrium is up there and ventricle is down there. It said that when the valve remains open means atrium has a higher pressure, right? Push the blood down, so it's a higher pressure than the ventricle, and then look for it, okay? So when do the atrium has a higher pressure? Atrium has a higher pressure. I need to look. Sorry, atrium is this one. Dotted line action, okay? So ventricle, this one fall down quickly, okay? So fall down quickly, so this part, right? Atrium higher than ventricle, also this part. Atrium higher than all ventricle, so there are two parts, okay? This is 0.1 second, and this one is 0.35 second. So for the cycle, add them up together, D. So just remember the position, atrium and ventricle, and the valve, the shape of the valve. And you can do it. See? Easy to do it, okay? See you.